What's up, guys? So in LA, got here last night. My boy Rob. I'm in LA for a couple days. Today we're doing a workshop over in Burbank from Apurture with director Matt Alonzo. Learning a little bit about lighting for music videos. So yeah, weather today's beautiful. We're gonna go grab some coffee real quick. So Rob, how long have you been living here?
8,500 months.
And he still gets lost around his own neighborhood. Doesn't know which way the streets are.
This is why I like Rodrigo, because he'll come here and he'll pick out a place that nobody's ever been to. But it might be amazing. It probably is amazing.
It usually is amazing. Oh, it's pretty dope.
We made it. Right there. No wonder we didn't know what this was.
So I met Rob working on Burn Notice like 5 years ago when the show was still popular, and we stayed friends throughout the process. And I actually took one of his castings for what was the cigarette thing?
Newport cigarette.
Oh, I stole his casting in Newport.
Stole my first audition ever. Almost got it on my first try, and they called me up. Hey, we want to use you, but we got somebody else. We'll put you on hold. Fast forward to Burn Notice, find out he's the guy that stole it.
And we got hired because we look pretty much the same for the part.
So it blossomed into.
And now I'm in LA. So yeah, there you go. Story. Recap.
So you're filming this whole.
Yeah. So I started vlogging like 2 years ago, and I have recorded a bunch of vlogs. Some of them had Rob in it, but I never like aired them because I thought like they weren't good enough, or just like I was still learning.
But the guy said it was his favorite, so I'm excited.
That was.
So Rob, how's the coffee?
Great. I'm so glad I ventured to Hollywood Boulevard. It was an adventure.
You gotta try new things. Even though Rob wants to hate all the time, no thanks, I appreciate it.
You're gonna be very popular, Mr. YouTube.
So coffee was great, and Rob finally got his camera, so we're gonna finally shoot. Tony's taking us to go see the super dope spot, super dope view that I needed to see. Nice.
This way, I get the skyline. The Hollywood Hills.
Oh, I know. Just a little bit.
Guys, so we just opened Sesame. It's Tony's favorite spot.
It's my spot.
Let's check it out. She's actually gonna pick all the food for us. So all I told her is like, give me something good, vegetarian, and she's gonna do all the work.
I'm not nervous, even though the pressure is mounted pretty high.
I had a quick client call, about to hop back in the whip. What's up, girl? So had a new client that reached out from the Gary Vee book, and I just wanted to follow back up. When new clients reach out for projects, things I always like to ask them for are examples of work that they've seen, their website, and then kind of like what their goal is. And based on those 3 things, and then follow back up with the information that I think is relevant for us to either proceed with the project or not. Yeah, we're heading back to West Hollywood. And then I think we're gonna get ready for the Apurture class. We actually came back to Tiago's to get more coffee from this morning because those guys sound good. It's that good. So about to go in, made some new friends. Hey. So really important, when you come to events like this, network with people around you. You never know where they're gonna be, if you might need help, if you're traveling to a different city. So just left the event, super dope. Got to meet Josh, one of my favorite YouTubers, along with seeing Matt Alonzo speak about pretty much making some dope music videos with very little budget. Now we're actually one of my favorite places in LA to eat, Summer Buffalo. If you're here, it's in Melrose, check it out. Super awesome food, one of my favorite pad thais. All right, just grabbed food to go. I gotta come back, I gotta edit some photos. I've been slacking since I've been here. So yeah, that's gonna be the end of the vlog for today. I'll catch y'all tomorrow.